10. Luxury SUVs with the lowest 5-year ownership costs. Number 10. 2025 Lincoln Corsair. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. This is Lincoln's answer to the fierce competition from Europe and Asia, and it makes a strong case for itself with a plush, quiet cabin that's all about comfort. It's basically a rolling sanctuary, built to shut out the noise of the outside world. The Corsair is for the buyer who values a serene driving experience, offering a pillowy ride that smooths out rough pavement. That smooth ride is delivered by a standard 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. A plug-in hybrid Grand Touring model is also available, which bumps the horsepower up to 266. While it definitely delivers on American luxury, its long-term costs landed at the beginning of our countdown. CarEdge projects the total 5-year cost to own a Corsair is approximately $58,145, which includes depreciation, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. According to their data, you can expect maintenance and repairs over its first 5 years to cost around $3,757. It earns its spot by keeping its costs from spiraling into the territory of some of the more maintenance-heavy European brands, offering a compelling blend of comfort and reasonable financial commitment. For anyone who just wants a tranquil ride with a ton of features, the Corsair is a solid package that won't break the bank over the long haul. But if American luxury isn't your only option, our next pick brings some Scandinavian style and a legendary reputation for safety. Number 9. 2025 Volvo XC40. Next up at number 9 is the stylish and super safe 2025 Volvo XC40. Volvo basically built its entire brand on safety, and the XC40 is a rolling testament to that, packed with advanced driver assist features. Its Scandinavian design is clean, modern, and a welcome change from the aggressive styling you see everywhere else. For 2025, the XC40 is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid system, which delivers 247 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque to all 4 wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides a respectable 0 to 60 time of around 6.1 seconds. When it comes to ownership costs, the XC40 holds its own. CarEdge estimates the average 5-year cost to own is $55,682, a figure that includes everything from depreciation to fuel. Their data shows that maintenance and repairs over its first 5 years should cost around $4,009, which is more than $1,500 below the industry average for luxury SUVs. While that's higher than some Japanese competitors, it's significantly better than many other European SUVs. The XC40's strength is its balance. It gives you standout design and top-tier safety, all while keeping the total cost of ownership from getting out of hand. Speaking of balance, our number 8 pick is a relative newcomer that has completely shaken up the establishment by pairing bold design with knockout value. Number 8. 2025 Genesis GV70. At number 8, we have the 2025 Genesis GV70. A newcomer that has completely shaken up the luxury SUV world. As Hyundai's luxury brand, Genesis is on a mission to prove it can hang with the best, and the GV70 is its knockout punch. It's got a stunning design and a futuristic interior dominated by high-quality materials. It also offers performance that punches way above its price tag, with 2 compelling engine options. The standard engine is a potent 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 300 horsepower, while an available 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 bumps that up to an impressive 375 horsepower. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. But here's its secret weapon: value. Genesis knows it needs to earn your trust, and low ownership costs are a huge part of its strategy. CarEdge estimates the total 5-year cost to own a GV70 is about $64,015. The GV70 is projected to have a 10-year maintenance cost of around $9,543, which is shockingly low for a vehicle this impressive. It also comes with a fantastic warranty for extra peace of mind, including 3 years of complimentary maintenance and a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The GV70 is the smart choice for anyone who wants bold design without the equally bold repair bills. But if you prefer your value backed by decades of proven Japanese reliability and a more engaging ride, our next pick is calling your name. Number 7. 2025 Acura RDX. Sliding into the number 7 spot is the 2025 Acura RDX. For years, the RDX has been the go-to for drivers who crave a fun ride, Japanese reliability, and a touch of luxury without that German price tag. Backed by Honda's legendary engineering, every RDX is powered by a 272-horsepower 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination makes it one of the most engaging SUVs on this list. According to CarEdge, the total 5-year ownership cost for an RDX is around $56,081. RepairPal reinforces its reliability, giving the RDX an excellent rating of 4.5 out of 5 and ranking it first among luxury compact SUVs. The average annual maintenance cost is just around $497, which is fantastic for this class. The RDX mixes that powerful engine with sharp handling, especially when equipped with Acura's super handling all-wheel drive, SHAWD, which can distribute up to 70% of torque to the rear wheels. It might not have the same badge status as a Mercedes or BMW, but it delivers where it counts: performance, reliability, and long-term value. The Acura RDX is the enthusiast's smart choice. But if you'd rather trade sharp handling for a supremely quiet and comfortable ride, our number 6 pick redefines premium American comfort. Number 6. 2025 Buick Envision. At number 6, we find the 2025 Buick Envision, a vehicle that redefines American premium comfort. The Envision focuses on delivering a serene and quiet ride, making it a standout choice for those who prioritize relaxation. Under the hood of every 2025 Envision is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine that produces 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Buick achieves its signature tranquility through its quiet tuning technology with active noise cancellation, which helps block and absorb unwanted road noise. Its value proposition is strengthened by its low ownership costs. CarEdge calculates the total 5-year cost to own an Envision is just $54,762. The average annual maintenance cost for an Envision is just $233, placing it well below the average for luxury compact SUVs. The Envision proves that a premium experience doesn't have to come with premium expenses. Moving up the list, our next SUV offers a dose of American luxury with a much sharper tech-forward edge. Number 5. 2025 Cadillac XT4. Breaking into our top 5 is the 2025 Cadillac XT4. This compact SUV brings Cadillac's signature sharp styling and a tech-forward cabin to a more accessible price point. All XT4 models are equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, generating 235 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's designed for those who want a dose of American luxury with a modern, youthful edge. offering a comfortable ride and a spacious interior for its class. The cabin features the latest in Cadillac's infotainment, including a massive 33-inch LED display. The XT4 secures its spot with impressive ownership cost figures. CarEdge estimates the total 5-year ownership cost to be about $53,529. While RepairPal doesn't yet have enough data for an exact annual cost on the newest models, the Cadillac brand as a whole has average ownership costs, with an annual repair figure of $783. This indicates fewer and less severe repairs than many European competitors. For buyers seeking bold design and modern features without the financial sting often associated with luxury brands, the XT4 is a compelling choice. And while the XT4's tech is impressive, our number 4 pick is famous for a truly innovative engine that redefines the balance between power and efficiency. Number 4. 2025 Infiniti QX50. At number 4, we have the 2025 Infiniti QX50, an SUV that combines cutting-edge engineering with elegant Japanese design. The QX50 is particularly famous for its innovative 2-liter variable compression VC turbo engine, which is designed to seamlessly balance power and fuel efficiency. This engine delivers a solid 268 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, and is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The powertrain is engineered to adjust its compression ratio on the fly, optimizing for either strong performance or better fuel economy. This technological prowess is matched by strong long-term value. CarEdge estimates the 5-year cost to own a QX50 is around $62,617. This reliability helps keep maintenance costs in check, making the QX50 a smart financial decision. It delivers a unique blend of sophisticated technology, luxury, and dependability that few competitors can match. But from the cutting edge of engine tech, we now jump to a performance icon that you would never expect to see on a low-cost ownership list. Number 3. 2024 Porsche Macan. Claiming the number 3 spot is a vehicle that might surprise many. The 2024 Porsche Macan. Known for its thrilling performance that feels more like a sports car than an SUV, the Macan also happens to be a remarkably sensible long-term purchase. The base model features a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 261 horsepower. For more power, the Macan S comes with a twin-turbo V6 that puts out 375 horsepower. All models deliver the handling and driving dynamics worthy of the Porsche name. The Macan's secret to a low cost of ownership is its exceptional ability to hold its value. While a total 5-year cost is difficult to pinpoint, its low depreciation is the single largest factor in its favor, and a huge part of the ownership expense. J.D. Power also consistently awards it high scores for reliability, with the 2024 model earning a great rating of 84 out of 100. This combination of stellar resale value and solid dependability makes the Macan a financially savvy way to experience world-class performance. As impressive as it is for a Porsche to defy depreciation, our number 2 pick rewrites the financial rulebook by eliminating gas and oil changes entirely. Number 2. 2025 Tesla Model Y. Coming in at an incredible number 2 is a vehicle that completely changes the ownership cost equation. The 2025 Tesla Model Y. As a fully electric SUV, the Model Y gets rid of 2 of the biggest expenses you'll have with a car: gas and oil changes. Performance is a huge draw, with even the dual-motor long-range model producing a combined 384 horsepower and rocketing from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds. The aptly named performance model does it in a blistering 3.5 seconds. This all leads to incredibly low maintenance costs. CarEdge estimates the 10-year maintenance bill for a Model Y is just $3,994, which beats the industry average for luxury SUVs by over $8,500. While a total 5-year cost is not readily available, the combined savings on fuel and maintenance are massive. But it's important to see the whole picture. While you save a fortune on fuel and maintenance, insurance premiums for Teslas are often higher than average, with some estimates putting the 5-year cost around $22,695. And fixing any body damage can be expensive. Even so, its incredibly slow depreciation and zero fuel costs make the Model Y an unbelievably strong financial choice over 5 years. But even the Model Y can't claim the top spot. Our #1 champion combines legendary reliability, hybrid efficiency, and unbeatable value into a single, untouchable package. Number 1. 2025 Lexus UX. And now for the #1 luxury SUV with the lowest 5-year ownership cost, the 2025 Lexus UX. If you're looking for the most financially sound way to get into a luxury SUV, this is it. For 2025, the UX is offered exclusively as a hybrid, with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motors combining to produce 196 horsepower. It's built for city life, with compact dimensions and a tight 17.1-foot turning radius that make it a breeze to park, while its hybrid-first lineup delivers amazing fuel efficiency. But its best feature is its jaw-droppingly low cost of ownership. According to Kelley Blue Book's 2025 data, the 5-year cost to own a Lexus UX is just $56,122. That figure includes everything: depreciation, insurance, maintenance, fuel, and fees, putting the UX in a class of its own for value. It benefits from the Lexus brand's low 10-year maintenance projection of around $7,130 and best-in-class resale value. The UX gives you the quiet cabin, premium materials, and flawless build quality you expect from a Lexus, all while posting ownership costs that are simply unbeatable. It is the undisputed champion of affordable luxury. If you care about long-term value, you'll definitely want to see how the biggest German rivals stack up when it comes to reliability. In our previous video, Mercedes versus BMW versus Audi, which lasts longest after 100,000 miles, we break down which brand truly goes the distance. Tap the link now and find out who actually builds the most durable luxury cars.